Let us see how you can import products to your WhatsApp catalog or your Meta catalog via Google Sheet. Go to Storefront, click on Meta Catalog Manager. This will open the specific page in Meta Business Manager from where you can manage your catalog. Click on Items and click on Add Items. Now you'll see an option of data feed here. Kindly select this. On the right hand side, you'll get an option from Meta to download a template. Click on it and click on custom template. Select your product category. For example, now I am clicking on clothing and click on download.excel template. Now let us open Google Sheets. Let us name it and import the template that we have just downloaded. Instead of create new spreadsheet, I am selecting replace spreadsheet because I've just created the spreadsheet. Now Facebook will automatically give you all the required fields as well as all the optional fields. You can decide to remove these optional fields, but you need to ensure that you are entering all the required fields. So for now I am deleting all the optional fields. Next, you also need to delete the first row. Now this becomes your header row and this is basically your product catalog. Now ID is basically your unique SKU, so always ensure that it is unique, else Facebook will update the existing product instead of creating a new product. So let us write as 100, 101, 102. You can enter a product title, a description. I'm just replicating this for now. You can select the stock availability, so you can also upload out of stock products, and in future let Facebook only keep on syncing the stock status. You can enter the condition. In case of price, it has to be with double decimal and the currency code, not dollar sign, not rupee sign. It will be INR for Indian rupee, USD for United States dollar. So for example, 1000.00 INR, 1200.00, and this is basically an external product link. This is in general mandatory only if you have selected while creating the catalog that this is an online product or online store. So for now we are entering this. You need to enter the direct product image. Google Drive images won't work. It should be a direct hotlink product image, and you need to enter a brand name. Now if you are an Indian business, there's also a mandatory requirements for 3 more columns. But if you're not an Indian business, your task is done here. You can create your sheets with all the mandatory columns, and I'll show in a few minutes on how to import this. But if you're an Indian business, you need to enter 3 more columns. I'm sharing those, just give me 1 second. So this is required by Indian government, and hence it is also required by Meta. You need to have 3 more columns. First name is origin underscore country. Second is importer name. And third is WA compliance category. We have mentioned these 3 column headers in the video description as well, so you can replicate it or copy it easily. And the value, so if you're not importing your product, you have manufactured it in India, you can simply write the country code. And even if you have manufactured it in India, still write the importer name as your company's name. And I'm copying this in the 4 rows. And the last is the compliance category for imported products or Indian manufactured products, so we also need to mention this. We simply copy this. So we have, I'll mention all these 3 column headers as well as values in the video description. Kindly copy it, and these 3 columns are only required for Indian businesses. Now we'll click on share option, and in the general access we'll give the option of anyone with the link is the viewer and copy link, and done. We'll go back to the meta catalog manager. We have selected the option of data feed. We'll click on next, paste the Google sharing link which has at least viewing rights. Click on next. You can select the default currency if you have not already set for your business. If you have set, it won't ask you again. And you can also define the frequency in which Facebook will automatically keep on fetching the new products or stock updates for or price updates for existing products, and it will automatically update. So you can define if you want to update the inventory or the price from the Google Sheet, and this can be done on hourly, daily or weekly basis. You can define the time as well and click on upload. Now Facebook will take some time for the initial upload, and once the upload has been done, you'll see that your products have started getting reflected in your meta catalog manager, but not in your WhatsApp catalog yet, because WhatsApp has another layer of approval which takes few more hours. Now as you have created the products in the meta catalog, but you even want them to be displayed in our products library, so you need to go to the products and click on pull products. Select your store and click on pull products. If you won't pull the products, any order that you get for these new products or your Google Sheet products, that order won't have the product information. So always remember to pull products as well after uploading any new products using the meta catalog manager or Google Sheets. Thank you.